Hi guys, Advanced Computing here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own random number generator in Python 3.8.3. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's define a function. We're just going to call it random number generator. It's not going to take any arguments. Okay, and then the next thing we need to do is we need to, of course, ask the user to input something. We want the user to input the lowest number and the highest number so that they can choose their own range of random numbers to pick from. So we're just going to do num1 is equal to int. So it's going to turn the input of whatever they type into an integer, and we're going to ask them to type enter the range of your random numbers. Okay, and then we're just going to put full stop here and then do \n, which creates a new line, and then we want them to type their lowest number first here. So we can do this like this, okay, and then we want them to type the second number, which is also going to be an integer here, and the second number is going to be the highest number, okay. So we want them to enter, or we can just literally just type highest number, okay. Very good. Okay, and now we want the computer to randomly choose between those two numbers. So those two numbers are going to be the range. So they have to choose in between those two numbers. So the computer is going to have to use the random.randint function. So first here we have to get out of this and we have to import the random module, because obviously we're going to be dealing with random numbers here, and then we can go back to our function. Okay, and then we can type num3 is equal to random.randint, and obviously the first one's going to be num1 and the second one's going to be num2. Very good. And after that, I guess we can just say we can put a print in front of this. We don't even need to have num3. We can just simply print all of this. So we'll just print a random number. Okay, so now let's call the number random number generator, the function. Okay, it's going to ask me for the lowest one, which is 1, and the highest one, which is 10. So let's take that for example, and now it's going to randomly print a number from that range. So it printed 8 there. Okay, so we can keep doing that. We can do an even bigger range here. We can do it 1 to 1,000, and it will choose a completely random number. Okay, so that is how you create your own random number generator in Python 3.8.3. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.